Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we'll look at process flow design and ideas for optimizing the model for a painting area. We'll look at how to use the various libraries in FlexSim. Let's see the process flow. Objects are created in the source, and it is being joined in Exposé Station. Then moving to curing area. And then moving to the paint booth. After the paint booth undergoes cleaning process, and items destroyed in the sink. Want a master simulation? Join our FlexSim Basic program, available in the official website. Let's build the model. Bring two sources. A combiner. Two processors. And a sink. Let's make the connection. You can make the connection by holding A in the keyboard. We are going to build a process flow logic for paint booth, therefore no connection to paint booth. I have renamed the objects in the model. Let's build the process flow logic. Add a general process flow. Once the item processed in curing process, need to move to the painting booth. Add an event triggered source with reference to curing process and event as on process finish. Add the item label. Then add a move object activity to the process flow. Give object reference as token.item label. Destination as paint booth. If you double-click the process flow, libraries will appear in the model. For differentiate the item which are processed in paint booth, we are changing the colors by change visuals activity. Give the object references as token.item. Leave the colors as random. You can also give a custom color. Then add a delay activity to the process for making the cleaning process. Finally, add the resource activity to the model, in which the paint booth is acquired once it gets free and will process one item at a time. Set the inter-arrival time of source. Give combine properties as join. Set the processing time for curing and paint booth. The process flow will look like this. Let's customize the process flow. Go to Visual tab, drag the container into the process flow. You can give customized colors and names to the container. Let's optimize the process flow logic to improve model accuracy. Add a wait for event activity before the delay activity. Give the reference as paint booth and event as on process finish, which implies that the delay activity starts after each item got processed. Let's set the properties for displaying the state of the processor, that is, processing and cleaning. Go to Visual Library, pick and drag the text into the 3D model. Now go its properties and select the Object Statistics dropdown. Take the paint booth as reference and set to state. Now you can see the state of paint booth. Let's customize furthermore to display the cleaning process using custom code in the delay activity. You can see the code editor drop down. Let's type the custom code, first getting the references of the paint booth. Then setting the state of the delay activity as cleaning. Finally, return the delay time value. Let us run the model. You can see the change in color of the items. You can see the change in state of paint booth while processing and cleaning. And the items are waiting until the cleaning the process completes. Explore the tools with various scenarios and comment your thoughts in the comment box. Unlock your full potential by joining our training program. Visit our website for more details. For more content, subscribe and hit the bell icon.